Welcome to our exploration of a cosmic mystery. Does Jupiter protect Earth? We're here to dive into the universe beyond our planet. We'll explore the dance between Earth and Jupiter, two giants in our solar system, and reveal hidden truths. So buckle up for this cosmic journey into the relationship between Jupiter and Earth. First, let's talk about Jupiter's size. As we delve into the cosmos, we find that Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's so large, in fact, that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Now imagine the kind of gravitational force such a gigantic planet could exert. It's colossal. This immense gravitational force reaches far and wide into the depths of space, influencing not just the nearby celestial bodies, but the entire dynamics of our solar system. From the smallest asteroid to the most distant planet, all dance to the tune of Jupiter's gravitational pull. This giant planet with its mighty gravitational force doesn't just keep the cosmic ballet in check, it plays a pivotal role in the grand scheme of the universe. This gravitational force not only influences the orbits of nearby objects but also plays a crucial role in shaping the dynamics of the entire solar system. But how does Jupiter's gravitational pull protect Earth? This is where we venture into the captivating realm of the Jupiter effect. This effect refers to Jupiter's role as a cosmic shield, its immense gravitational pull acting as a deflector for objects like asteroids and comets that could potentially be on a collision course with our home planet, Earth. Imagine Jupiter as a cosmic vacuum cleaner of sorts. Its gravitational pull, a result of its impressive size, creates a kind of gravitational well. This well can capture or redirect incoming objects that stray too close, preventing many of them from continuing on a potentially dangerous path towards Earth. While this might sound like the plot of a sci-fi movie, it's a dynamic that plays out continuously in the vast expanse of our solar system. Objects that could spell disaster for Earth are instead drawn to Jupiter, their trajectories altered or stopped completely, effectively reducing the likelihood of catastrophic impacts on Earth. But it's not just about the objects Jupiter captures, it's also about the ones it redirects, sending them off on new paths away from Earth. This gravitational redirection acts as a further line of defense, making Jupiter an even more significant player in our planetary protection. Thanks to Jupiter's massive size and strong gravitational pull, it effectively sweeps up or redirects many potential threats. While our cosmic guardian can't ward off all dangers, its role in our solar system is a testament to the fascinating interplay of celestial forces that help keep our planet safe. So, does this mean Jupiter provides complete protection for Earth? Not quite. While Jupiter's gravitational field is indeed a cosmic sentry, there are limitations to its protective influence. For one, its gravitational reach, although broad, is not absolute. This means that some celestial bodies, especially those with high velocities or coming from certain directions, can slip through Jupiter's gravitational net, potentially posing a risk to Earth. Moreover, the intricate dance of celestial bodies in our solar system is not always predictable. There are instances where Jupiter, instead of acting as a shield, can inadvertently fling objects towards the inner solar system, including Earth. This is due to the complex interplay of gravitational forces among the planets and other celestial bodies. In essence, while Jupiter does act as a protective force, it's not an all-encompassing shield. It's more like a goalie in a cosmic game of football, making crucial saves but unable to stop every shot. Jupiter's gravitational pull can also occasionally fling objects towards the inner solar system, posing new risks to Earth. Nevertheless, Jupiter remains a crucial player in planetary defense. As the largest planet in our solar system, its gravitational force shapes the dynamics of the entire solar system. The Jupiter effect, a phenomenon that illustrates Jupiter's role as a gravitational shield, deflects or captures incoming objects such as asteroids and comets that could pose a threat to Earth. Yet it's important to remember that Jupiter is not an impenetrable shield. Some objects may bypass Jupiter's gravitational influence, and occasionally Jupiter may even propel objects towards the inner solar system. Despite these limitations, Jupiter's immense size and gravitational pull serve as a vital line of defense, significantly reducing the likelihood of extraterrestrial impacts on Earth. Therefore, while Jupiter doesn't offer complete protection, its presence is undeniably beneficial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of the universe. Keep looking up.